Hey my friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find out CMS, a website which programming language are used and which CMS used for create the website. So without any more time wastage, let's get started. First I'm going on Google and I choose any website. Example of I create this website. Then I create this website. Then again click on this website. So I create three websites. First of all, I'm going on here, then type, just go to this icon, then scroll down, then I click on web player extension. Then you can see this website using CMS, WordPress CMS, then web servers, light speed, WP Rocket, PHP, MySQL, and etc. etc. So I am going on second one, then again go on web browser, then this is also WordPress, and then again go number 3 option, then again okay, this is also WordPress. So how to know this tool extension? Just go to google.com, then type web player extension. Just type on web player extension, then go to first one, then just add to Chrome. Just click on add to Chrome. This is automatically add on your computer. So I already have. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.